Hi, today we're going to talk about the Go Viral Follow Me Vlogging Kit. Now this item here, I picked it up actually over at TJ Maxx. And they actually sell the same type of product over in Best Buy. So just wanted to put that out there. Basically, I'm just going to be unboxing this and kind of putting it together, assembling it, and then kind of sharing my thoughts on it. It's from DigiPower, so that's kind of like the company. So before I start, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right side from where you're viewing, the red button, and just click and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. I'm trying to build up my subscribership. And if you get any value out of this video, definitely hit the like button and leave me some comments. I'll definitely respond. Thank you. So let's get started. So here you can see we have this box here. It's the DigiPower Go Viral Follow Me Vlogging Kit. And basically this is the front of the box, and then here's the back of the box. So here in the back, it tells you what you're getting. So basically you're getting the middle portion, which is the mini stative, which is the area where you can actually click to actually take the pictures, and you get the number 3, which is your 36 LED video light. And then you get the number 5 too, which is your wireless shutter remote. And then number 1 is your universal microphone, and number 2 is this one right here is your foldable grip tripod. A lot of these vloggings, or even like a lot of these stands, they all have tripods. The tripods are pretty much universal. They have it on all these vlogging and video equipment. This right here, number 4, once again, is a smartphone grip. So I just want to point that out. So this is pretty much what you're getting. Just from looking at it, it sounds really good because basically you're pretty much getting everything you need. Holding on your phone, getting 36 LED lights. So, for brightness, you're getting a universal microphone, which also, I'm not sure if this is a dead cat actually that's included there. It's a cotton soft, looks like, but I'm not sure if it's a dead cat. But you're getting that where you can actually speak into it, which hooks up to your phone, so you can actually record audio from that. And then you get your tripod, which everybody gets, and you get a remote. So that's very unique right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I took the pleasure of just actually cutting this off, so I would save us some time, and then just opening it up. Let me remove this guy right here. Don't need that. Okay. Okay. So here we go. We have it here. I'm just going to put the box on the side. So first of all, you get an instruction booklet, and make sure you read the instruction booklet. So it comes in English, and it comes in Deutsch, and it comes in French. Make sure you read it. Basically right here is what you're getting. So once again, this is your universal microphone. This is your foldable tripod. You get the battery for the universal microphone that they give you, which is really great. You get the 36 LED light. And you get the phone holder, the standard smartphone grip. It's pretty great too. And you get this USB power to your, from the light all the way to, your phone. So you can do that for, actually your computer is a USB. So there we go. Let's actually put it together now. So let's go ahead and take the tripod grip out. This tripod grip. This is the holder right here. The smartphone holder right here. This is the light, 36 LED light. Now just wanted to share with you, for this light is 36 LED light. I actually bought this a while back. It's a streamer too. This one is 112 LED light, and I think I paid like 60 bucks for this from Best Buy. So I just want to give some comparison there. And you also get this universal microphone, the battery for it, and then also the wiring, USB to the light. So let's put that down right there. Okay, so let's examine the light right here. So the light right here is the power, which is for you to put in your this USB. So let's hook this up first. There we go. And there's an on and off switch in the back of this DigiPower 36 LED light. So the USB is on the side. This is your phone grip holder, your smartphone grip holder. Basically, it goes up and down. So as you can see, it stretches. See right there. So it stretches. And then on this grip right here, you also have your wireless shutter remote. So this is actually a remote that actually you can just take pictures. And basically you can pull it out. So it comes off, you notice that slide off. Now, there's already a battery that they give you, so that's a great thing about it. You know, they already have a battery for you. So I think it's just like one of those small round batteries. Kind of like for weight machines and for some of the phones, clocks, I mean. So that's your battery. So let's put this back in. And in here we have your tripod. So this tripod is pretty cool. It has a nice, it's not just plastic, it's a nice kind of like tight grip on the bottom. Just kind of like a, I don't want to say it's plastic, but it's kind of just really smooth, but it's like something that actually grips the floor. So that's a great thing about it. So let's go ahead and attach these. So the first thing we'll do is we're going to grab this, the the smartphone grip, and then we're going to stick the tripod under it. So there's a screw area there. So you're just going to screw it in. So the great thing about this DigiPower that I really like is that everything is just screwed in. There's no separate pieces for this. Then you're going to get the DigiPower 36 LED light, which is this one here. And as you can see, there's a hook right there for you to clamp in. So you just grab this right here and this, and you just slide it in. Boom, right there. Once you slide it in, you can just tighten it with this. It's like a turning rod, which is kind of like a nail where you can just turn this and it'll just tighten it up. And then you're going to grab this, which is your universal microphone. And you're going to put this in there too. So before I put this in there, let me just show you one thing. So right here is where you're going to put the battery that they give you, the round little battery, the lithium battery, CR2 lithium. I'm not going to put it in, but basically what you're going to do is you're going to put it in here. You're going to, this back here, you see that little swivel right there? Just slide it. There we go. So it comes off, boom, right there, and you stick the battery in there. And that's what that's for. And you just stick this back on and slide it back in. So let's go ahead and attach it. So it's going to be on top of the 36 LED lights. So we'll just stick that in and tighten it. All right, so we have this now. So we can actually push down a little bit more on the tripod and it'll go down. So you actually have your universal microphone on top. And I'm going to grab one of my old iPhones, which is this one here, and I'm just going to slide it into the back. So example is, you're going to push up, as they say. You're going to push up. There it goes, and popped it in. So there you go. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Now you're going to take this microphone, the universal microphone, this cord here, you're going to stick it into your telephone audio cord spot right there. Now if you have a lightning phone that doesn't have this, then you're going to take the extension to plug into the lightning, so that way you have a cord and you can stick it in there. So that's pretty much it. Now for my review of this, I feel like this is a really great item for people who are just starting to vlog and needing these products, and they just want to have everything just all at once, all set up in one box. This would be a really great item. This normally retails probably about $48, $50, but it's like $29.99 at TJ Maxx. So if you see at TJ Maxx and you bought one, let me know what you think. Leave me some comments. Let me know if it worked out really well for you, and if are you still using it? Is this a product that you returned, or is it a product that you feel like you used it for a month and basically that's pretty much you need to upgrade? There's a lot of other products out there. Rode is another product too that's out there regarding the universal microphones. But you have to pay that separately. So, this is a really great all-in-one where you're getting the tripod, the smartphone holder, the light, and then also the universal microphone. So I would really think, about getting this product. And I'm probably going to keep this one because I probably use it too. And it has a remote too for shutter. So that's a great thing. And once again, remember to read the instruction booklets because it tells you the first thing you need to do is you want to charge the power on the battery, the lithium battery for the universal microphone. At least you want to charge that so you have power and then you can turn everything on. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if I've added value regarding this product. This is the basic setup. Any questions, leave me a comment. I'm happy to help you. And if you can just hit the subscribe button, that'd be awesome. I'm always making videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you.